You won't believe the features Skyward Savings offers in 2026. Most people assume savings accounts are boring, but Skyward makes saving easy, automated, and surprisingly effective. Skyward Savings provides competitive interest rates on its accounts and minimal fees, helping your money grow without hidden costs. One of its best features is automated goal-based savings. You can create multiple goals, emergency funds, vacations, or big purchases, and the system transfers money automatically based on your income and spending. Even small, regular contributions add up over time. The app also offers spending insights and predictive alerts. It tracks bills, subscriptions, and regular expenses, sending notifications if adjustments are needed to prevent overdrafts or fees. The dashboard visualizes your financial progress, showing exactly how close you are to reaching your goals. Security is strong, with multi-factor authentication, encryption, and real-time fraud monitoring. All deposits are FDIC insured, and customer support is available through phone or chat for any issues. The main limitation: Skyward focuses on savings and cash management, not investments or loans. But if your goal is automated, simple, and effective saving, it's a solid choice. So, is Skyward Savings worth it in 2026? Definitely, especially for anyone who wants a modern, secure, and proactive way to grow their money. Subscribe for more reviews on the best tools for your finances.